Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027, how to angle a plan. So you can create new part. The next I will create for the reference object. You can click start to diskette, choose the top plan, and I will draw a rectangle. Click finish. Now use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Okay, I will move to bottom a bit. Click OK to apply. Now, if you want to create for the angle plan, you can go to the plan tools here, click on drop down menu, and then choose the angle to plan around edge. So I will select at this edge, and the second I will click at this face. Now you can see we create this reference plans, and to set angle you can click at this point, or you can fill in this column. Like I will set into minus 45 degree. Click OK to apply. Now you can draw in this plan. You can select, create start to diskette. Like we draw a circle. Finish. And we can extrude. So I will choose two direction symmetric with cut. Can increase and then click OK to apply. So that's it for basic Autodesk Inventor 2027, how to angle a plan.